Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. The Ologbo Sheriff of Warri Kingdom, Chief Ayiri, has taken the issue of the construction of the Warri-Escravos Road to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for his immediate attention. The traditional Prime Minister of Warri Kingdom, who was accompanied on the visit by the Honorable Minister of Niger Delta Development, Engineer Abubakar Momo, told journalists after the meeting with President Tinubu that the President has promised to activate the necessary machinery towards construction of the all-important road, which is expected to boost socio-economic activities within the area when constructed. The road, when constructed, will also enhance development of Maritime University in Okerenkoko, as well as cut the costs of operations of multinational oil companies in the region. The construction of the Warri-Escravos Road has been on the drawing board for several years. Even the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) had tried to partner oil giants Chevron Nigeria Limited in the construction of the road. However, till date, the road remains a pipe dream. Before he passed on in 2020, the 20th Olu of Warri Kingdom, Ogiame Ikenwole I, had visited former President Muhammadu Buhari to, among other things, request the construction of the road. In 2018, former President Buhari was set to flag up the construction of the road, but it never happened. To ensure that the road is finally constructed, the Ologbo Sheriff of Warri Kingdom, Chief Ayiri, visited President Bola Tinubu last week at the presidential villa Aso Rock to appeal to Mr. President to approve the construction. Shortly after the meeting, Chief Ayiri confirmed to journalists that the project had received presidential nod.
The road from Warri to Escravos, he made promises that once he's been elected, if we vote for him, he's going to ensure that that road is being constructed. So I came here with the Minister for Niger Delta so that they can put a way that that road can be constructed for us, and which he gave a nod. He asked the Minister to go and put up his memo and come back.
Also discussed with Mr. President was the dredging of the Warri Seaport, which the immediate past Olu of Warri, Ogiame Ikenwole, had also discussed with former President Buhari. Chief Ayiri says it is in pursuit of those earlier demands for which he accompanied the late monarch to visit former President Buhari that he is now requesting President Bola Tinubu to approve.
You know, the Warri port has been an issue to date, and I made complaint to him about the crude oil, the pipe that's giving problem in the bar mouth. So he says he's going to go across to GMD so that they will sit, they will look at it and how they can relocate the pipe so that proper dredging can be carried out for vessel to flow into Warri.
Chief Ayiri also discussed other issues with Mr. President, including oil theft and the protection of oil pipelines to guarantee increased revenue to the Federation.
Inside the Niger Delta,